You bugger, you always come at dinner time. Now you also have your 60th birthday at the same time. You are crazy buggers. Happy 60th birthday, Pradeep. It's great to start our seventh decade almost together. Pradeep, it just gives me an opportunity to tell you something which I could never tell you before, but this is a great time to tell you. First thing that comes to my mind when I think of you is the guy with the heartiest, the most infectious laugh. Nobody can laugh like you can. And I am sure that when Trupti heard you laugh for the first time, she might have ducked for cover. We love it. Keep laughing, my friend. The other thing we remember you as is a genius. જે ચોપડી પર હાથ રાખીને બી બધું આવડી જાય છે અને એક પછી એક ન સાંભળેલી બુક્સ બી તે વાંચી લીધેલી હોય કેટલી બુક્સ તે યુ વુડ હેવ સોલ્ડ Shrome series, Jastradarsky, Zubao Shalom, Karve Shah. You create inferiority in others. આંખને આરામ આપું છું કહીને સૂઈ જાય એક્ઝામની આગલી રાતે. Whole day you will play Connect 4 with that equally genius guy Sharad and absolutely not be bothered about your final exam the next day. આખો વખત માસ્ટરી કહીને અમે સ્ટ્રગલ કરતા હોય. Solid inferiority, man. Then the next thing is your noteworthy thing is your single focused clarity of what you wanted to do. Atli nani umare in the youth, not seen anybody being so clear minded about what one wanted to do. One people would think I'm a civil engineer, you'll continue doing that, or a mechanical engineer, you'll continue doing that. But you had some different ideas. You wanted to not do engineering, but get into operations research. Nobody ever knew what it was. And then you pursued that, and then you specialized in project management. So much specialization, so much expertise that even the owners of the Primavera software company wouldn't have such an expert on their own product among their ranks. I can only compare you with Arjun of Mahabharat. When asked what does he see, and he says he only sees the eye of the parrot. When others saw the bird and the sky and the trees. Such single-minded clarity and focus, really noteworthy. At that time, none of us had any idea what we were going to do ahead. The other thing that that amazes me is that a guy who has never stepped out of the city limits of Bombay for his entire childhood and youth catches a plane and goes off to USA. And now he's a global globetrotter. He is about to outstrip me on TripAdvisor.com. I'm glad to see you enjoying it. You're going all over the world and enjoying yourself. And Pradeep, last but not least, you are a friend in need. He's a friend indeed. When I made a horrible decision, turned wrong because of a bad choice, of deviating from my line of studies. You did not say, if I were you. You actually tried your best and succeeded in getting me out of that situation and retrieving much of my objective. And I can't thank you enough for that, Pradeep. Well, Pradeep, on your 60th birthday, what more can I wish for you? You already seem to be much ahead of me on that. You're enjoying your what can I say? You have pushed the right work-life balance button. You're enjoying your globe trotting for work as well as for pleasure. You have now a very devil-may-care, happy attitude. You're living it and loving it. Keep doing that, buddy, and have a great 60th birthday and many more decades to come. Enjoy.